Hello, my beautiful subscribers. I so much appreciate you. Thank you for staying here with me. It is a very huge honor for you to be here. And those people who are seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Please share, like, and comment. God bless you. So I'm going to talk about my former video, the one that I did about Zenko. So people were like, throwing me that I don't know how to compile my English very well, that I am scattered, that I don't know how to put my English together. So it took me a lot for me to be here. For you to be on YouTube journey, you have to be determined. And you have to have someone who will always encourage you, because some people will come and throw you, some people will come and say nasty things to you that will make you to, to feel as if you're not doing your best. As a young girl who grew up in Anambra State, all my educational background was in Anambra State. I am also a mother of 4 kids, so it's not easy for me to make voiceover, because sometimes if you're making voiceover, you will be hearing your children's voice on the background. Maybe you have even finished making your voiceover, and now you realized that your kids, their voice is in that voiceover. So it is not easy for us. This is just a new YouTube channel that I know how challenging it was for me to be on this YouTube channel. So it is not easy for me to be here. And now that video that I did about Zenko, I never knew that video was going to go viral. So that video, I am so happy that I got a lot of views on that channel. But for me, seeing these comments that I don't know how to combine my English, that I can't compile it together, that I am scattered everywhere, I was like, I'm so discouraged. I'm like, this channel, I will just delete it. I'm not going to continue with it, that people are too mean. So, but I'm that kind of emotional person, and if you can see, I am running a faceless channel because I am so shy. I don't like I'm so shy. I don't like being on camera. So, but I said, okay, let me start running a faceless channel. Maybe I will do better. But now seeing those comments makes me to feel bad. I'm just here for me to tell some people who are also facing this kind of challenge. Whenever they want to do something, they will feel like they will fail. So let me tell you something. This channel that I started, I wanted to make it only Igbo speaking channel. But if I start speaking Igbo on this channel, only Igbo, how will people now understand whatsoever that I'm saying? Because the YouTube world is very, very big for you to be speaking only Igbo language. I know I am not perfect, but with time, I'll be at least close to perfection. But I don't know why people will now like to discourage some people. It took me a lot for me to be here. I'm also running a faceless channel because I am so shy on camera. I don't like, I'm so shy on camera. Now, also, I am now facing this, commenting negative comments. You can see the channel is just a new channel. At least try to say something positive. Give positivity to people's life. It is not necessary for you to just be, it is so discomforting for me because I felt so bad today. This my video that I did about Zenko. I never knew that channel, particular video will go viral. That particular day, the way I'm running that video, if you have kids at home, you know how difficult it is for you to make video, talk more of making voiceover. So it is very hard for me, and I said, okay, let me just post this. Since I don't have much followers on my channel or more subscribers on my YouTube channel, at least maybe I'll just get like 20-something views. But I am so shocked seeing that video. I'm getting to 8-something views. I am so shocked that they say, oh my God, so I can even do this. As in, I am so happy. And now, the time that I went to my comment section, I now saw some comments. And funny enough, those people that commented are all of them are from Igbos. So I was like, why is it that some people can never encourage people to do well in life? Why? Nobody is perfect, and not that that person, you don't understand whatsoever that person is doing. Even if you want to comment, it's good to give corrections, but at least the way you put it matters a lot. It can cause damage, and I feel like deleting that video, but I said to myself, since I can feel this way running a faceless channel, what of those people who are showing their face on camera and they are receiving negative comments on their channel? So I have to be strong and make use of this opportunity, because as a content creator, you have to make use of any opportunity that comes your way. Now I said to myself, instead of me deleting video that I have never ever seen any video like getting like 8 something views on my channel, 800 and something views on my channel. And I said, if you delete this video now, what is the essence of you deleting? You have to be strong in spirit. You have to be very strong. If you want to run a YouTube channel, you have to be a strong person. You have to have a strong mind for you to do anything. People will come and troll you. People will come and insult you. People that you don't even know will say any sort of things to you. So I said, okay, since I'm feeling this way, I know that some people will be feeling this way too. Some people have things to give out, but they don't know how to give it out. They are afraid of people that will come and attack them. They are afraid of people that will, that will discourage them. They are just afraid of the society. But I said, okay, since I can feel this way, running a faceless channel, let me just make a video on this. I know that I am not perfect. I did some video. If you go to my channel, you will see that I am not perfect at all. I'm not even close to perfection, but I believe in myself that one day that I will make it. I will come back to those videos that people insulted me, and I will come back to those videos and say, okay, so this is where I started, and now this is me, because I know that practice makes perfect. Growing up in the eastern part of this country, Nigeria, and you growing up in Lagos does not make you better than that person that you feel that grew up in the village. That person might have something upstairs more than you. That person might be speaking incorrect English, but when you put it in writing, that person might write those things perfectly well more than you do. So stop trying to, discourage people who are trying to come out from their shell, and you who is trying and feeling that you can't do it. Please, I encourage you today and I urge you to do it. If it is English that you want to speak on your YouTube channel, go ahead and speak it. If it is Igbo language, go ahead and do it. They will not come and catch you and flog you. Nobody will come and beat you. Just continue doing it. It's just that I'm so emotional right now, but I have to do this video for people who will see it, and I believe that people will still learn from it. YouTube channel is very good. I'm just in my 66 subscribers. If I don't even know if I have reached that 66 subscribers, so I'm just urging everyone to just anything that you want to do in this life, don't be afraid. Just do it. Gradually, you will be perfect. I will also teach Igbo on my channels, because everything that I'm doing on my channel is about Nigerians discovering, bringing out new things that we have forgotten about, some biographies of people and some culture and historical stories and others. So thank you so much for listening to my today's experience. I so much appreciate you. God bless you. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Encourage me to do more. I so much appreciate you for watching my video, for subscribing. I am so much grateful. God bless you. Bye. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.